Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to import safe passwords from other web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox into Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select mo lang yung 3 dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, yung pinakauna lang yung profile. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung import browser data. So i-click mo lang dito. Alright, so makikita dito lahat ang mga web browser na installed on your computer. So select ka lang dito kung anong web browser yung gagamitin natin na i-import. Alright, so select lang natin tong Google Chrome. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong import. So makita mo dito yung import browser data. So dito lang sa choose what to import. So uncheck lang natin to and then iwan lang natin yung save password. Okay, so uncheck. And then i-check mo lang tong save password and then next click mo lang tong import. And then all done makita mo dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-import ng save passwords into Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.